In the last video that we did from the Turk's Head workbook, we tied a 3-pass herringbone knot, tying 3 5-part 4-bight Casa knots together. In this video, I would like to show how to tie another 3-pass herringbone, but tying 3 7-part 6-bight Casa knots together. And in the book, here's a drawing of how to tie the 7-part 6-bight Casa knot. And here is the run list. Here is the run list for tying the 14-part total part, 12 total bight, 2-pass standard herringbone knot, tying 2 7-part 6-bight Casa knots together. And on the next page is the drawing of how to tie that 2-pass herringbone together. Then, here is the run list for tying 3 7-part 6-bight Casa knots together to make a 21 total part, 18 total bight, 3-pass standard herringbone knot. So, we will go to this run list, and I got this Hubbard Perfect Mandrel from Jig Pro Shop, and I want to use it to demonstrate this knot. And they also carry this Turk's Head workbook if anybody's wondering where to get it. Okay, on the first half cycle, it is number 1 from left to right is a free run with a 1 for 1 wrap around the mandrel. And that will bring us to pin number 2. Now, line half cycle 2 from right to left is over 1. So we go over 1 to pin number 3. And now I want to straighten this out so that our lines, see how I got these lines drew on my mandrel so I can line things up. So I'm going to have it stretched out a little bit so that we can tie our knot. Okay, from pin number 3, going left to right, we go over 1. So I roll my mandrel, I go over 1 to pin number 4. Line number 4 is under, over. So I go under, over, and to pin number 5. So we're going from 4 to 5. Now on line 5, we're going under, over. So I turn, I go under, over, and to pin number 6. Line number 6 is over, under, over. I roll my mandrel and go over, under, over to pin number 7. Line number 7 is over, under, over. So we go over here with an over, under, over to pin number 8. We roll our mandrel, and line number 8 is under, over, under, over. So we're going to go under, over, under, over to line number 9. Pin number 9. Line number 9 says under, over, under, over. So we go around the pin. We go under, over, under, over to pin number 10. Line 10 says over, under, over, under, over. Over, under, and out over to pin number 11. Line number 11 is over, under, over, under, over. And you can see we're just splitting our tracks. Over, under, over to pin number 12. Pin 12, line 12, right to left is under, over, under, over, under, over. Under, over, under, over, and back to our standing end. Let me get my pins. I'm not used to tying with these pins. So this is our standing end at pin number 1. Now I would normally go under to finish my knot, but I'm going to go under the rubber band and just have my bight right out here, just so it's out of our way as we tie our next interweave. Okay, we're gonna put this under our rubber band. Got a knot. Okay, got quite a bit of string there. Let me just wrap it around. And put it under the string. Okay, on this run list, it states right there, FLP, follow the left of the primary knot. So here is the standing end of the primary knot. So we're going to go on the left-hand side of it, and we're going to be right here at the red pin number 1. And it says under, over, under, over, under, over, under. So we're following this, doing the same thing it is. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under to pin number 2. We gotta get some twists out. Okay. Now we're at pin number 2. So we're at line number 2. And it's under, over, under, over, under, over, under 2. So we're going to go under, and see, we were following the left side of this strand. So we continue following that strand, but now we're following on the right hand side. Under, over, under, under, and there's our over, splitting that pair, under 2, splitting, or going around pin number 3. Line number 3 is under, over, under, over, under, over, under 2. Under, over, under, over, under, over, splitting a pair, under 2, out of the knot. And that brings us to pin number 4, which is line number 4. Under, over, under, over, under, over 2, under 2. Under, over, under, over, under, split the pair, over 2, under 2, out of the knot to pin number 5. Line number 5, under, over, under, over, under, over 2, under 2. So here we are at pin 5, under, following this strand on our right, over, under, under. We split that pair, so we go over 2, split a pair, under 2, out of the knot. Now we're at pin 6. So line 6 is under, over, under, over, under 2, over 2, under 2. Under, over, split that pair, under 2, over 2, under 2, out of the knot. We're at pin 7. Line 7 is under, over, under, over, under 2, over 2, under 2. Under, over, under, over 1, split a pair, under 2, split a pair, over 2, split that pair, under 2, out of the knot. And that takes us to pin number 8. Pin number 8, line number 8 is under, over, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2. Under, over, under, we split that pair, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, and out of the knot. Line pin 9, so it's line 9, under, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2. Under, over, under, split the pair, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, and out of the knot. Okay, we're at pin 10. Line 10 is under, over 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2. Under, over, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, out of the knot. Then we're at pin 11. Line 11 is under 1, over 1, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2. Under, and see that's was our working end, and this is that outside bite. So it's under 1, over 1, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, and out of the knot. We're at pin 12, line 12, going from right to left, under 1, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2. So we're going to go around pin 12, under 1, split that pair, over those 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, and under 2 out of the knot, and that brings us to our pin number 1 and our standing end of our blue string. Now, since I'm not too good at using pins, I'm going to pull this off of my pins, take that collar off, and pull it off these pins. I should have enough room to just give me a little slack here. Well, I'll put this one under the rubber band so it's out of the way. And we're going to slide this down, pull these up. Okay. Now we're going to get a new string. We're going to go right here to tie a 21 total part, 18 total bight, 3 pass, standard herringbone knot. And we're going to follow the right of the second knot. And X equals 21, which is the same as our thing, our total parts. And we're tying, we've already got the primary knot tied and the second knot tied. This is the string run for the third knot. So we're going to get us our new string. Here, this blue is our second knot, and we're going to be following the right hand side of the second knot. And we're doing number 1, left to right, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2. So we're starting with an under 2 and get in alongside of our dark blue string and go, we're doing what it's doing. So it's over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, out of the knot. We're gonna put this under here. Okay. So we followed the right hand side of our second knot, and we've went through on our first half cycle. Our second half cycle, going right to left, is under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 2. So we're going to go in under 2, and we're following, we followed up on the right, so we're going to follow that same strand down on the left. Under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, and right here is our over 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's our pair. This dark blue and light blue is our pair. We're going to split that pair and go out under 2. Take a little twist out of our knot. Now we are on line number 3. Under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 2. So we come in our knot, under 2. See how this is sliding because it's under that rubber band. But that was our under 2. Now we're going to go under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2. And here is our over 3. 1, 2, 3. And see, this is our new color. We'll split that pair and out under 2. Okay, we're on line 4, right to left, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 3, over 3, under 2. So we come into our knot, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 3. 1, 2, 3. Over 3. 1, 2, 3. Split that pair, out under 2. Okay. 5, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 3, over 3, under 2. Back in the screen here. Okay, there's our under 2. Okay, under 2, right there. Over 2, following this dark blue string. Over 2, under 2, over 2, under 3. Splitting that pair. Over 3, splitting that pair and out under 2. My bight straight. Now we're on 6, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2. Under 2, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 2, or under 3, splitting that pair, over 3, 1, 2, 3, split that pair, under 2, out of the knot. Take that twist out, straighten our bight, and we're on line number 7, left to right, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2. Okay, there's our path. Under 2, over 2, under 2, over 3, split that pair, under 3, split that pair, over 3, split that pair, and out under 2. Okay, number 8, under 2, over 2, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2. Under 2, get in on our right hand side of the, or the left hand side of this blue string. Over 2, under 3, splitting that pair. Over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2, out of the knot. Okay, now we're right here on 9, under 2, over 2, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2. Under 2, over 2, under 3, splitting that pair, over 3, split that pair, under 3, split that pair, over 3, and under 2 out of the knot. Okay, from right to left, 10, under 2, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2. under 2, over 3, under 3, there are 2, 3, 2, or 3, over 3, under 2, or under 3, over 3, under 2 out of the knot. Okay, number 11, left to right, under 2, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2. Okay, under 2, 1, 2. I don't have a string in my needle. I'm being a little too hard on it. Over 3, 1, 2, 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2, out of the knot. Okay. Line number 12, going right to left. Under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 2, out of the knot. Under 3. See our pair right there? Here's our blue string, dark blue, red, light blue. That's our 3. Splitting that pair. Over 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, 1, 2, 3, under 2, out of the knot, and that brings us, pull my slack, back to the standing end of this light blue string, and we could finish this right there so that those strings are together. That tied our 3-pass herringbone knot, tying 3 7-part 6-bight Casa knots together. I hope you will try to tie this knot, and thank you for watching the video.